Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe templates. Navigate to the new File menu in your chosen Adobe application, like Photoshop or Illustrator. Then, explore the Templates tab to find a wide selection of ready-to-use designs. Filter your search by project type, such as brochure or social media post, to quickly locate the perfect starting point for your creative work. This streamlined process allows you to begin designing efficiently, saving you valuable time and effort. Once your chosen template loads, you will immediately see editable elements. To change text, simply double-click any text box and type your new content. Remember to adjust font size for readability. Replacing images is also straightforward. Select the placeholder, then choose File, followed by Place Embedded, and select your own picture. Take a moment to customize colors through the Properties panel, ensuring your design truly reflects your unique vision and purpose. For more intricate adjustments, explore the Layers panel. Each element typically resides on its own layer, allowing independent manipulation. Consider resizing the canvas to a precise dimension, for instance, 7 inches by 10 inches, ensuring it meets your final output specifications. Incorporate new design assets, like custom icons or logos, by dragging them directly onto your project. Remember to group related layers, keeping your workspace tidy and efficient for future edits or collaborative projects. When your design is complete, it is time to export your work. Go to File, then Export, and choose Export as to access various format options. For web-based projects, select a JPG or PNG with a resolution of 72 pixels per inch to ensure fast loading times. If your project is for print, opt for a high-resolution PDF or TIFF at 300 pixels per inch, guaranteeing crisp details and accurate color reproduction. Always double-check your output for any last-minute adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.